you, girl. I'ma show out for you.
My Christian boo, you my first pick even though I got options. Because them hoes in you, you made me go drug free.
Welcome to another vlog. As you can see by the title, today is going to be a Miami vlog, and I'm currently in Miami with my friend right now. So this is her. It's only us because all the other bitches is whack and lame. So yeah, period. We just got the address to our B&B. Our B&B is actually on South Beach. It's 12:43 right now, and the B&B is not going to be ready till 2 o'clock. So what we're going to do is go to South Beach. We're going to go search for some restaurants to eat at because we both do not eat, and just wait. So yeah, y'all, you have to call out Uber. I'm sure y'all give this video a like, comment, and share. We going up, and I'll see y'all when we're on South Beach. We're going to Airbnb because it wasn't given going to South Beach with these bags. The niggies is out, so we was not doing it.
No, because I'm really funny right now.
Yeah, they was out, so we had to go to the B&B. We gotta make some changes to the appearance. Okay, so we here. So this. Okay, so yeah, I'll be back. We're in our B&B, and my fucking edges sweated out, but it's okay because we about to transform. Like, So yeah, let me show y'all how it's looking right now. So what I'm got on. I wish it was giving body yaddy, but it's giving nothing. About to get dressed, get cute, you know, and then we're gonna go get something to eat for real this time because we both did not eat all day. So.
It's just the vibe of that guy. Put the legs in the sky whenever I go. You don't want nobody else, I know. But I can't be what you want. They all have the same story. Cause I want she and she and she. And they love.
So we are changed. We look black as hell in this clip. But we are about to go to Bacon Bitch. So I'm about to see how far that is. Yeah, like we both got big boobs, so it's really not giving with the. I'm about to have a nip slip. And
y'all see the titty at the bottom, like
yes, like it's giving though. Is close, so we about to head there. And yeah, y'all, we getting lit tonight. R.I.P. that lit, bro. Nice. It is really hot, like, bro. My edges sweated out. That's how you know how hot it is, like. And sorry, it's not giving. We should have never put on lotion either. But where the niggas at? It's bacon out here, y'all. Like, you can fry an egg on the street with this mother. Oh. Daddy's only. Like, oh my god, I miss being in Miami so bad, y'all. Really though, like, feel the same. Niggas trying to talk to you. What's your fake name?
Diamond, bitch, Diamond.
Big-headed lit tonight. A little distracted, y'all. But we back and we about to go stuff. That man was talking about some big bitches, so like mind your motherfucking business because nobody's suing you. Not mind that business, girl. Right, y'all. So we are at Big Bitches. A line for this shit, but we gonna wait.
Y'all, we make some friends.
Yeah, we make some new friends. He said it's sold out.
Damn.
Baby. Let's see what we're gonna do tonight on both party or the club. It might just be the club, but we're gonna see. It's hot as hell. My edges is going to put up. Yeah. Nah, this line is up.
Y'all, why is it so hot outside?
Tequila, vodka, rum, strawberry mango. That's a strawberry lemonade.
Okay, I want that, but I'm gonna get a drink too.
Do you know where the other bitch is gonna sit at? The other bitch? If you don't, that's fine. Right here.
Haters wanna fight, yeah. I think what a boss beat.
Hey, bitches. Turn off food. We trying to figure out what we about to eat, so it's gonna be and I need to order a drink. So I'm about to do that. Oh, y'all ordered the drink. Beach with it, the South Beach with it. Is she drunk off that drunk bitch she got at?
Don't think that shit. That shit is wild.
Like, period. And we with the other girls. And we just walking.
This is a workout for me, y'all.
Yeah.
Some fucking pounds. For real.
I'm crying. Nah, but I don't even know, y'all. I'm lit right now. And yeah, that drink I had, it did me right. It did me right. Mango, no, pineapple margarita. I had a pineapple margarita.
So far, I'm having fun. You know, I've never been to Miami, so.
Look, she chatting now. She got that look at her. She chatting now. I keep up with it.
Huh?
Like, we about to find our friends Uber because this shit don't make no sense. Shit out here.
They are taxing. They taxing for the pretty bitches.
Okay, and it's like, it's giving. So we
take me to my car. Don't worry, I ain't coming out here no more without no car.
Okay.
Oh, I can
we gotta get our friends on Uber right now. Like, we not even about to play with them like that. Like,
this one ready to be in the Corvette, but he said he need her back seat. This girl's stupid. This girl is stupid.
Come on, y'all.
Alright, y'all, we got our bitches on Uber. Uber. We was going to B&B and get ready because we trying to go to the club tonight. So.
And as the Bible says,
I mean, we can still talk I'm out here with the cigarettes for me.
Right, dirty. Everywhere is closed so early, girl.
It's Sunday.
Hey, man. So, what's up? Because you keep looking at me like, what?
Hey, y'all. So it is, I don't even know what time it is. It's probably like 9:30 now. And we are about to go to the club. I think we are going to KOD tonight. And we about to get lit. R.I.P. that lit. So my friend is in the shower right now. I'm already dressed. I get dressed really fast and I do my makeup and stuff. It looks really cute. If you're not on my business page, make sure you go do that. The Bougie Bitch Cosmetic. Look how the lip gloss is looking. So it's giving I'm wearing this dress. I'm about to show y'all right now. So this is how I'm looking. And I probably gotta wear some heels. Giving baddie tonight. Like, what? Are you saw? I look real cute. It's really giving cute. Hold up. Hey, I can't even twerk in this dress. We're gonna have to lift it up like this. What I'm about to do is finish getting ready. I'm listening to Smooth Out. So we're gonna do that while we finish getting ready. and I'll update y'all in a few minutes. We about to go take pictures soon. Can't wait for that because these pictures about to come out bomb. So all right, y'all, so we is ready. We about to go. It's her for me, period. We about to be on the stage strippers tonight, like ah. And my friend told me to take a shot for her, so I got one for you, girl. I'ma show up for you. So yeah, we about to have, we getting lit tonight. Take pictures and then we're going in our Uber to meet the other girls.
Y'all, please tell me why
This probably dumb.
be here.
No, it's the pictures. We gotta have fun tonight. We're gonna get lit. I'm gonna get drunk.
She lying, y'all. Do not believe this girl. She do not be drinking for real.
I might get drunk. And yeah. And yeah, just we're gonna have a fun night. So yeah, I'll see y'all. Pulled up to KOD and it's giving. Period.
It's giving. I don't know because whatever, it's giving.
Look, we with the girl.
Oh, I forgot.
Period.
What's good?
Alright, okay. Oh, hold on, wait, what's she doing? She better not get on the car. She better.
That's the way to go. That's the way to go. Baby mama kinda mad, cause I ain't making so I'm about to bust down the car.
Suck up on my titties while he playing in my kitty. Get them angles when you hit it. I'm a bitch, you fucking with me. I'm the hardest in my face.
That girl up there, what's happening, baby? Do your thing, baby. Catch that ass. Catch that ass. Catch that ass. Go, go. Oh, that do
next day. I'm looking horrible. We had just woke up again. We took another nap because we was tired. So let me put y'all on to tea last night. So we went to KOD in Miami and it was type lit or whatever, but they wasn't really playing like good music. Like we was just sitting there like, because like they was playing music for like the strippers. They wasn't playing music for the customers. Like me, I'm the type of guy I want to dance, and they wasn't playing no dancing music in there. So me and my friend, we had left early, and y'all, when I tell y'all we went in the worst Uber ever yesterday. Like we went in the Uber, he did not speak English and he was doing the dash, and we trying to tell him like, yo, slow down, like slow down.
And he keep telling the camera. Bitch, fuck that camera.
Yeah, like he kept telling us about the camera that he had in the car and everything. Like we don't care about the camera. You need to slow down. And it was crazy. Like my friend was about to cry and everything, but we made it safe, thank God. But we gotta turn up today part 2. So the girls we met here, we met the guys that drove them home, and we met the plug. So we about to get on the yacht today, and getting on the yacht was something I always wanted to do in Miami. I never got to go on the yacht, so we about to do that. We about to get ready. They said we have to be there by 2 o'clock, so we about to get ready. It's like 12:40 or something, because we had took another nap because we was tired, child. Like just imagine hopping on the plane. Like it was really like plane buzz with that TikTok. Like yeah,
no sleep, bus, club.
So yeah, we about to get cute and all that, and I'm excited because your bitch never been on a yacht. So yeah, girl, I look horrible. I did clean up my makeup real good too. I stuck my makeup on and everything, y'all. I was tired. Hey. So yeah, we're about to get ready. We are on our way to get something to eat because we still didn't eat, and it's about to be 2 o'clock. So hopefully we find something to eat real quick, and then we can head to the yacht and it don't leave us. But I don't even know where the yacht is 18 minutes away from us. So hopefully we get there and everything can just be smooth. But right now we just trying to find something to eat because this is hungry. Starving. What's another way for hungry? I don't even know. I said that. Something like.
That's how we have. I was so tired. Damn.
And it's still hot out here. Hot as hell.
It's gonna rain and shit.
And y'all, tell me about. We were trying to get into that pretty little thing, exhibit or whatever. We asked them like what was the requirement. They was like, oh, you have to be an influencer and they gotta look through your Instagram. So I get in my Instagram and I hope they be like, we gonna let her in just because she got good pictures. Because I really wanna go in. I've been trying to go there since I used to live in Miami, and let's just see. Cause my new Instagram is new, so. For like 10 minutes yet, and we already got, look at these little, look at this nigga, look. Yo, they turn back around, yo, they yo, not them turning back around for us though. Like, we haven't been outside for
Yo, Pop Smoke friend just text me.
For real, what's saying what?
The next, is another one that have, you know Trey?
No.
Yeah. Yo, they tell me I'ma bite you, like, bitch, are you a dog?
Yo, no, not him saying, baby, I love you. Yo. Yo,
these niggas are dumb.
Thirsty.
Oh my god.
Yo.
Come on, let's go.
We really fucking stopped in traffic right now, cause bro.
Don't say that one time.
That come on. That them stopping traffic for the crazy. Yo, now look, y'all, look, now. Look, y'all about to crash and everything. Crashing into each other. Uglies. At Naked Taco, we're waiting for our food so we can hurry up and go to the yacht before we fucking leave our ass. Yo, I thought those were those same people. Oh my god. I thought those were the same people on the bike. He look like he ready to fight. I'm crying. But I got a chicken fajita with a lemonade. What you got?
Chicken wing fries.
She got chicken wings and fries. So yeah, we just waiting. It's hot.
What time they said that yacht? I mean, the boat leaving.
She was like, she said to me now. Say, Alright. So, it's hot as hell. I'm just ready to get on this boat. So.
We the reason that the smokers all up in the city. Real love for city code, I need a billboard. I don't even want the car.
Alright, y'all, we on the yacht.
Smoke me. Won't smoke me. Won't smoke me.
Come on, girl. Ah. Eat it. Ah. Girl, I ain't never been on a yacht before. Oh shit, okay. Hey, now we gotta come back to the summer. Ah. Let's go. Oh. Heard the captain. Yes, captain. Period. Y'all over. Yeah, this is our Uber right here. So, ooh, sweating. Bye, y'all. The yacht is done, y'all. So we're about to go head to the beach because, like, on the yacht we didn't really jump in the water, so we just want to go to the beach and relax and do a little summer. Huh?
So get our feet wet.
Right.
Y'all, Miami is getting me black as hell.
Or should we go to Voodoo tonight or no?
You want to?
That's on the beach.
It's on the beach, right? Yeah, we should.
Hey y'all, so right now we're about to go to Voodoo Miami. It's like a little lounge place you can go drink, eat, and hookah. So we're about to go there. I don't know what this place is about, but yeah, we're gonna see. Let me show y'all the fit. Give it. I don't know what I was doing with this black ass dress on.
I'm crying. Is that the one in this crackers?
Yeah. I will see y'all when we get there, cause y'all don't need to snack this extra shit. Skipping, look at period. Look how far we gotta walk, y'all. Oh my god. Come on, girl. Come on. Oh shit.
Make sure y'all that drink. Oh my god. That drink is that.
So it's the next day, and I could not vlog no more because literally when we went to the Voodoo, we had drunk too much, and I was too drunk. So I'm like, there's no more vlogging for me. Like. Not at all.
Y'all, tell me why this girl, she love crossing the street when cars are fucking coming, bro.
It's a New York thing. Okay. Anywho, y'all, we gotta go to the Lickin', and hopefully they got some good food that we can eat because we just left from a diner and it just looks too ghetto for me. So yeah. So yeah, y'all. Alright, y'all, we still here. We've been waiting for a man for about 2 years. And I still didn't get my drink in here. Yeah, I gotta get that I know they food is good, so that's why I'm being patient. Y'all, this food was busting. Like, either it was forever or it was busting. Like, I got the items, y'all. Even my fucking nail broke, like, give it. But if y'all come to like, you actually come to the Lickin', like, hands on my knees, hands on my knees, hands on my knees, shaking ass. So we trying to get tattoos right now. The place I was supposed to go that did my thigh tattoo, they closed. So now we gotta go to some new shit. So, what the fuck? 3 doors down. What the fuck? Everywhere in Miami be hiring. Like, everywhere. This is 3. What the fuck? Unless it's that. No, that's the gallery. Oh yeah, it is. So the place we going is called Salvation, y'all. Oh, let's see. Y'all, they talking about some fucking 150 for these little ass tattoos. If she wanna get like a wrist tattoo, they talking about some 150. I wanted to add something to my thigh tattoo. They took on some 400. I didn't even pay 400 for my fucking thigh tattoo. I paid 150.
Mind you, y'all, I had got my niece's name on me, right? This shit was $30. Like
what? Yeah, so we gotta relocate because we forget this is the beach. We gotta go to the hood for real. So yeah, yeah, it look like we gotta go to the hood.
They were talking with money, like
relocated
again.
The only reason they decided to help you was
it's cute.
the condition that
We didn't end up getting the tattoos because they was really taxing for tattoos. Like the smallest shit was like 150. And it was at both places I went to. So now we at this place called Crafty Crabs. So we about to just get some seafood and call it a night. Oh, it's thundering out here. It's hurricane season in Florida right now. So yeah, it's crazy out here. So we about to go get some crab legs. Hopefully they good, and I'm ready. So I'll see y'all inside. It's the drinks for me, y'all. Behind my mama.
You know what? Alright.
This shit's strong as hell.
It's strong. Why would you be strong as drinks? Oh, tequila.
I don't like that. It tastes like pina colada.
Hold on right there. Let me use the phone.
Oh, hell no. No, I don't want that shit.
I don't like the new drink because this drink ain't working for me at all. It's good.
Pineapple?
Yeah.
Girl, I love pineapple.
That's the Cajun double fire.
Ooh, Cajun double fire. I like that.
So we need is lemons and your other drinks?
Yes.
Be careful with yours, that might top it up.
You want some gloves? These are not gloves.
Yeah, they're inside the dips.
Why can't you eat with your hands? You doing that?
Right, I need an apron. I gotta be bougie. Ooh, yes, I gotta be bougie. But I mean,
there's gloves inside.
Oh, we don't need the gloves. This is
I need an apron because I want my shirt to get dirty.
we don't use gloves. We gotta get down to the nitty gritty.
I'm like, no.
Look at me.
Yes.
Oh shit now. I get a king K. Yeah, I need hand sanitizer?
Yes.
Hand sanitizer, y'all. This about to get dirty.
Bro, he's so corny.
Alright, y'all, we done. I got the ice.
Can I get some ice to go?
That's cool, so y'all. I got corn in my teeth. Y'all, so I'm in the airport waiting to get on my flight. We're actually boarding now. So yeah, this was my vlog of Miami, my little short trip. And I'm just about to end off my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure you give this video a like, comment, and share. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, make sure you follow my business page. It will be down in the description box, period. And yeah, y'all, I'll see you guys in my next vlog.
I got your back, trust me. And I ain't just speaking to speak, you know this shit for real.